Hi, I'm Kim. I'm here with you today at Blondie Salon and Spa. I'd like to share a few ways with you that you can use MAC pigments. The first way that I want to show you to use a MAC pigment is in combination with the MAC paint pot. You apply your paint pot as your primer, and this just helps for the pigment to have a little bit more staying power. Pigments are obviously heavily concentrated colors and shades that MAC makes, but they are in a loose powder form. By applying your paint pot first, you'll be able to have that pigment stay exactly where you want it. I'm going to use a lavender pigment shade for her. Remove the top, take off the protective insert, and I find that this is usually the exact proper amount of pigment to put right onto the eye. Coat your brush, and I almost just kind of tend to lightly push it into the lid as opposed to swiping it on. I find this will give you a better concentration of the pigment. After that, I'll take my fluff brush and brush away the excess. The second way that I want to show you to use MAC pigment is to actually combine it with your face powder. I'm going to load up my facial brush blush with some of the MAC Prep and Prime. And again, just working a little bit off of the excess, I'm going to use the MAC Pigment Tan. Push it into my brush on all sides. As an alternative, you also could take just a tiny little makeup brush and mix it into the cap of your powder and mix it that way as well. The next way that I want to show you to use MAC pigment is to combine it with your lip gloss. Take your favorite lip gloss in either a light or sheer shade, and you're going to go ahead and mix that with the pigment. Today I'm using Naked, which is just going to give a real sheer quality, that super sexy nude lip. There's so many great pigment shades that you could practically make a million every day. And this just makes a great gloss. You don't need to combine all these makeup techniques at the same time, but they certainly make for a real fun opportunity. Even individually, they make a great statement. Last way that I want to show you that you can use a MAC pigment is to actually go ahead and combine it with your moisturizer. This is terrific for body lotion and lets you come up with a real customized shimmer lotion look. Remember that your pigments are heavily concentrated and you're not going to need a lot. Just a few drops. Right in with your lotion. The uses for MAC pigments are truly limitless.